Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à tous.
In this video I am going to tell how to ask questions using inversion method in French. We have so many ways for asking questions in French, but in this video I am going to tell you how to form questions by using inversion method in French. We are going to concentrate on inverting the subject and the verb for asking questions from someone. Let's see some examples using this method. For example, do you speak Spanish? So first we will write speak then you. In French we would make question like this.
Parlez-vous espagnol? Ou parles-tu espagnol?
In French we can say you in two ways. Vous and tu. Vous is used for formal. And tu is used for informal. Let's take another example. Do they speak Spanish? So would say by using inversion method as.
Parle-t-il espagnol? Ou parle-t-elle espagnol?
Let's look another question. Do they like English songs? So we will not translate do in French. First we will write verb then subject. So in French we would translate as.
Aime-t-il les chansons en anglais?
Another question. Does she have a car? We don't have do or does such things in French. So we would make question in inversion method as.
A-t-elle une voiture?
With il and l, French people use t and hyphen between verb and subject and they ask questions. They use it to sound better. As you have seen in this example. Let's take another example. Are you going to the restaurant with her? So in French.
Vas-tu au restaurant avec elle? Ou allez-vous au restaurant avec elle?
Another example. Are they going to the supermarket today? So when you will ask this question in French it would be translated as.
Vont-ils au supermarché aujourd'hui? Ou vont-elles au supermarché aujourd'hui?
We use ils for masculine plural and ls for feminine plural. Now let's take example by using he or she because it is difficult to make questions with.
Il et elle.
Because in French there is t and hyphen between verb and subject as I told you earlier. For example. Is she going to school today? We will remove is and write go first then subject she. So in French it will translate as.
Va-t-elle à l'école aujourd'hui?
Or when we use he instead of she then in French it would be translated as.
Va-t-il à l'école aujourd'hui?
Next example. Are we going to Kieran's house? So in French the question in inversion method is.
Allons-nous chez Kieran?
Example. Have I got 3 dogs? So in French it is translated as.
Ai-je 3 chiens?
For example. I want to say I have 3 dogs. Then in French I will write like this.
J'ai 3 chiens.
So when we will write this in the form of question in inversion method in French we don't have to write apostrophe after j. As I wrote in above example. Another example. Am I lazy? So in French we will write.
Suis-je paresseux?
With je we can make inversion with the.
Avoir et être.
We cannot use the inversion method in present tense with.
Je.
For every verbs. For example. Do I sleep? We can't say it in French in inversion method like.
Dors-je?
Because it does not sound good and French people don't use it. Instead of inversion method we say.
Est-ce que je dors?
Hope you have understood inversion method clearly.
Likez la vidéo, abonnez-vous à la chaîne. À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.